Like, we just thought it was so inspiring, and so, everything. Just thought it was so inspiring, and so, everything. Just thought it was so inspiring, and so, everything. And so, what is the mind frame of somebody that's about to go to jail for months and that has never served that amount of time in jail, Like, fashion-wise and just conceptually, I think it's my best video to date. I do a lot of writing. I do a lot of brainstorming on who Nicki Minaj wants to be, in the big scheme of things, not just amongst female rappers, but not just amongst female rappers, not just amongst female rappers. Not just amongst female rappers. No, not just amongst female rappers. No, not just amongst female rappers. I feel pretty, oh so pretty. And it was amazing. I feel pretty, oh so pretty. I feel pretty, oh so pretty. I feel pretty, oh so pretty. I feel pretty, oh so pretty.
Now, do people often get it twisted or mixed up when they see you, or the beauty that you are? Like, this chick can really bring it. Is her looks getting her in the game, or can she really spit? Or do you get that?